Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the system so improvements take effect immediately. First, check GPU and CPU temperatures and power limits with a monitoring tool. Thermal throttling kills frames. Once done, update your graphics driver and close heavy background apps in Task Manager to free CPU and RAM. Then, switch the game to full screen and reduce render scale or resolution. Disable V-Sync to stop input lag caps. These actions remove common bottlenecks and give you a measurable baseline to improve from. Now you tackle the more technical middle steps that change how resources are used. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and set your OS power plan to high performance so the CPU and GPU won't downclock unnecessarily. In GPU control panel, force the adapter to prefer maximum performance. This avoids frequency dips during loading spikes. Then, in-game, lower intense settings like shadows, particles, and post-processing because they cost the most frames. These changes shift workload away from GPU-heavy features and stabilize frame pacing. Finish by locking in smooth, sustainable performance rather than chasing raw numbers. If comfortable, apply a modest GPU or CPU overclock with safe voltage and stress test to gain extra FPS. Otherwise, create an optimized game profile in your driver for lower latency. Enable adaptive resolution or set an FPS cap slightly below peak to prevent microstutters. If problems persist, verify game files, roll back or reinstall drivers, and recheck temperatures. These troubleshooting steps isolate corrupted assets, driver regressions, or overheating that
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.